5 skincare secrets that you know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've come here to share 5 skincare secrets that you guys need to know now. But before we do that, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel right away. And do not forget to hit that bell icon because you guys do not want to miss out on anything. Also, follow me on social media to get more updates. Now, without any further delay, let me quickly take you to the video. Tip number 1, stop hot water showers. Yes, you heard me right. It is not good for your skin, guys. I know long hot showers, especially after a very long day at work, may be very relaxing for your body, but it is not as good for your skin because guys, hot water strips off all the essential oils and the moisture from your skin, leaving it dry and dead. Guys, I understand it's not very easy to just stop taking hot water showers because we so much love it and we are so much used to it. So for starters, what we can do is we can maybe turn down the temperature of water, or maybe we can cut down on the shower time, and maybe this way we can gradually move to a point where we don't need the hot water shower at all. Pro tip, always apply the moisturizer immediately after taking the shower. This way it will help you lock the moisture in your skin. Tip number 2, clean your scalp to avoid pimples. Heard this one? I know a lot of us are challenging acne that would just not go. We may be thinking I'm taking so many treatments, applying so many products, but still why is this acne not going? Especially around my forehead. Maybe you got to check your scalp. Yes, you heard it right again. Because dandruff and excess oil can clog our pores, causing a lot of pimples and zits. It is one of the most common causes of acne on your forehead. People with oily scalp, I'm one of those, are very prone to acne on the forehead. So treat your dandruff and oily scalp to treat acne on your forehead specially. Tip number 3, treat dryness at night. Do you wake up with extremely dry skin? You must be rushing to your morning skincare to hydrate your skin, right? Don't do that. Rather, treat the dryness in the night. It's easier to head off dryness and lock the moisture in the night than to do it in the reverse in the day. Try it, you will see the difference. I've tried it, trust me. Tip number 4, stop using cleansing clothes or wipes. I know it's very convenient to just pick up the facial wipes to clean your face and think that it will take away all the impurities. Cleansing clothes or wipes alone cannot clean the impurities of our skin, especially in the day, time and city we live in today. We live with so much pollution around. Just the facial wipe will not be able to clean or detox your skin. We need the old school cleansing methods, the oil, the cleansing balms, because all these impurities, the makeup, the built up of the entire day will need to be broken down first. You can't just take the cleansing wipes and just strip it off. Okay, you are only stripping off the moisture, you are only rubbing your skin that way. So it's very important to break down all the impurities and the makeup with the oil or the cleansing balms and then wash your face. Only cleansing wipes is not enough. Tip number 5, pack an extra pillow to treat puffy eyes. Are you one of those people who is just done with your puffy eyes? You must have tried thousands of solutions but still not gotten rid of your puffy eyes. I have a solution for you. Stack an extra pillow under your head while sleeping. Let's understand why do we have puffy eyes. There are various reasons, but one of the most important reason is built up of fluid under our eyes. Okay, when we stack an extra pillow, our head will be slightly tilted. That is how gravity will come to use. Gravity helps you drain unnecessary fluid, treating your puffy eyes. I have tried this, guys. Trust me, it really helps you with your puffy eyes. Okay guys, so those were my 5 skincare tips for you all. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found the information useful. If you did, then please let me know in the comments section. And I'm going to see you guys very soon. You guys have an amazing day today. Lots of love to you all.